We are now stood on top of HMS Queen Elizabeth's ramp. The ramp is a British innovation. It was also used on the Queen Elizabeth class predecessor, the Invincible class. The purpose of the ramp on HMS Queen Elizabeth is to allow the F-35B to take off with a far greater fuel and weapons payload. Okay, so this protrusion I'm currently standing on, which is attached to the aft funnel, will be known as Flyco, which is where all flying operations from HMS Queen Elizabeth will be conducted from. Not only the launching and recovery of aircraft will be controlled from here, but also the movements of aircraft from the hangar up to the flight deck and then back down to the hangar. So I'm now stood in the void. That will be the aft hangar door, and also will be the access for the aircraft to come out of the hangar onto the lift to be then elevated up to the flight deck level. As you can see, it's a massive space, the largest internal space on the ship. In fact, it's so large you can actually fit two Type 23 class of ships side by side in the hangar.
Welcome to the forward engine room on board HMS Queen Elizabeth. This is one of the smaller diesel generators we have on board and makes up part of the entire electrical power propulsion system. It can generate up to 109 megawatts of power, which can power a town the size of Swindon. Welcome to one of the propulsion motor rooms on HMS Queen Elizabeth. This is one of two shafts that will power the ship through the water over 25 knots. I run the seamanship department, and as you can see behind me, we've got the ship's anchor and the chain cable just a bit beyond there. Now, to put into perspective of the scale of this anchor, it weighs 12,675 kilos, which is approximately the same weight as a double-decker bus.
Welcome to the forward galley of HMS Queen Elizabeth. This is the lift where the provisions will come up from down below in a cage storage unit. The provisions will be broken down in this area, meats will be put in the fridge to thaw out, and then we will proceed through to where the veg prep will take place for raw vegetables. We would then take the meats to the meat preparation area, and then any other raw preparation is kept separate in separate areas, which is in current line with legislation. Over here we have the actual cooking areas. We have some fantastic equipment, the best I've seen in the 34 years of my career, unfortunately covered up at the moment. We have two of these galleys this size. We have another 3 eating places that are smaller. Just in front of me now is the area where the lads will be able to cook in front of the customer, which is quite exciting for the chefs because they don't get to do that much. We have two of these areas in this kitchen and another two areas in another kitchen.